Hey everybody, welcome back to Backyard Living. So in today's vid is, you guessed, on this guy right here. Yesterday, I happened to be garbage picking and I happened to find this guy with the charger just wrapped around it, sitting in the garbage of this person's front yard. I walked up to the door and asked the nice lady, and she was very, very sweet and kind, and she said, "Go right ahead. We think the batteries are dead, and you can have it." And I was like, "That's awesome. Thank you so much." So I wheeled it all the way back home. When I was actually at my grandma's place, I wheeled it all the way back to her house. Then we put it in the car, came all the way back home, and it's in my workshop right now. And I already took a look at the batteries. They seem to be exploded. So batteries have been ordered, but I am going to show you guys right here. And there's no light bulb in here, so it's a little dark. Right here is my E300 electric scooter with the same type of batteries. So, and this has got a lot of power to it, man. I remember too. So these batteries right here. So the reason with these batteries is that they still hold some charge to it, so I'm going to have to, but they don't charge on a scooter's charger, but what if they charge on that thing's charger? So we'll see what happens. A little more backstory, this is like it's the Razor Vapor Moped, and I actually sort of fit on it. It'd be hilarious to actually drive this thing around because 170 pounds, I'm just under that, actually pretty far under that, and so 170 pounds is max on it. Now, I know my electric scooter flies with me on it. So, these got the same batteries, same motors, same 12 volt, 7 amp hour batteries. Big lead acid sealed batteries. I just can't believe that the charger that was wrapped around it, that was crazy awesome. I'll even show, here's the charger right here. It's the same charger as my electric scooter, and it was just wrapped around handlebars. And tried charging it, of course it didn't charge. And the lady said the batteries might be dead. Well, actually, this is a little like storage compartment. I didn't went under the seat, but to get it off, actually, I'm gonna move you guys in a different position. All right, so you guys in a better position where I can sit here and work on this. I'm gonna try to remove the batteries. I paid about $30 for the batteries. Reason being, I could have paid $64 and just plugged it in and be done with it. Now, I'm not paying an extra $30. Not paying an extra $30 for when I can just rebuild the connectors myself for about a couple cents at Walmart. Even a little more backstory on this, it looks like it's been sitting in a garage the entire time. Not outside or not anywhere, not rusted or anything. Of course, but these are under the seat, but still. So the seat comes off. Like that. The batteries are in here. And I can tell, if I zoom in on these a little bit, I know it's probably really hard to see, but they are definitely exploded, and I will definitely take them out and show you. There is no voltage at all. Those other dead batteries do have sort of voltage, but the charge just won't charge it. If this charging system block is a little bit different, then might just be in luck. And this is a metal frame in there. There's an old metal frame that goes all the way down. It's basically my electric scooter, just in moped form. Yeah, these are the connectors. I have to remember how this works, because if I don't remember how this works, I'm gonna forget. Because they're kind of just like this, which is a little stranger than normal. I mean, I'm guessing that's mine. I can just undo this. See, it's way more simple than my electric scooter. I'm actually gonna take. I'm gonna take a Sharpie and do some marking here. I mean, only if I had more light in here, guys. I'm sorry, this is as much light as I can get for the moment. So I'm gonna mark that side on the left, I think. And then I'm gonna That's red. Alright, I'm gonna take a picture of this because I will forget. Alright, so I got a light on it now. The light's gonna get brighter here in just a little bit. It's gonna take a second for the light to warm up. I'm trying to blind myself. Alright, so I got them marked. I got a picture taken. I'm not worried about anything now. Yeah, these batteries are... They're looking rough. They're looking like they've been sitting for about like couple years almost. This whole thing looks like it's been sitting for a couple of years. My goodness. But I'll tell you, I'll show you later. When I plug the charger in, the switch light does turn on. Batteries don't charge, of course. But yeah, which is good. Good sign. There we go. That's what I wanted. Sweet. Right. Was disconnected. Now I just gotta... There's a strap on here that they're sitting in. This fuse also. Yeah, there's a fuse in here, which is awesome. I do believe this is a fuse. So, it's something. Oh, it's on there. Oh well, can we take it off? So we can see what it is. Oh, yep, it's a little fuse in there. Oh, just in case something goes wrong, that is an awesome addition. My electric scooter does not have that. And we can make sure that does not break off. So now, there's a strap on here. Yeesh. Goodness. I don't even want to touch these with my bare hands. Oh my gosh, they're stuck together. Oh, this is gonna be a difficultness. I don't really want to touch these with my hand. So I'm gonna just lift them. Nope, that's not gonna work. Just see my hand. They're not exploded yet, so, but they're stuck together indefinitely. Oh, they're too fat, exploded. They get out of it. They're too fat to get out of here. Can I go out there something? No. Great. They're really stuck together. I really don't want to. Like, if I can just get them out through. Oh. No. Shoot. They're like indefinitely stuck together somehow. I can go out through here. So it looks like all I would have to take off is this whole front piece. Is this metal bar is strapped down there. I can't go out through the wheel because the wheel's there. But it looks like I can... Freaking Allen key. Oh my gosh. I had the right Allen key that I just randomly grabbed out of there. That's not weird. That's not weird at all, actually, because that's not surprising. I think this is my other electric scooter thing, too. So there's a bar here. So it's got to come off too. I can't believe how bad these batteries are. Alright, hold on now. We just gotta We gotta be careful with this. This is the thing I have to sit on. So, okay, let's just. Okay, now it wants to go wherever it wants to go, so just stay right there. All right, now we got to the batteries. We just gotta get these batteries out through the wheel. We'll take them out through the wheel. There. Oh shoot! I just realized something just now. These bars. I don't know if I can go through the bars right here. We'll just have to. There's something underneath. Oh, there's foam under here. Oh, that's nice. We'll use that. All right, here we go. Man, I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Oh yeah. Let's go. Throw these away. I gotta get the cords off and throw them away. They're permanently fused together too. Don't know how, but they're permanently fused together. All right, I got them off. Let me get you guys set up over here. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the battery. This is how you don't have to buy a $64 one for your scooter. You can just buy the batteries and have no problems. All right, so the batteries chilling right here. Finally got them out. That was a lot easier than I thought. All right, so now what we're gonna do is I already took a picture of everything, so I'm not worried about that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, you can take a pair of scissors. For some reason these are not all that great condition, of course. That came undone. Not easy at all. And these batteries are definitely gone. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah, this fuse goes a certain way, so if I don't put this fuse the right way, it's not gonna be good. Might have to mark that with more Sharpie. I'll do that right this moment. There we go. Give me that Sharpie. I'm gonna like douse this entire piece of the cord in it. I'm gonna go up here too. It's called the special side. They are colored, which makes it easier. You want to give as much cord room as possible. I don't want to have to wire in a new plug. Oh, get out of there, come on. There we go. That's the fuse. Little fuse. Gotta have the fuse. My other electric scooter actually doesn't have a fuse. It's kind of terrifying, actually. The fuse makes life so much easier and safer. There comes that cord. It is a simple, basic cord too, which is actually pretty funny. You can see right here, there's a double extra piece of, like, you put more batteries. Probably not, but we'll get these out to the trash or recycling center. All right, so I got these ones right here. Same ones. They're dead, but they're not dead. That's the problem. I think they're both 6 DW7s. Yep, 6 DW7s. They're the same exact ones. That's hilarious. I could either wire these up and see if they charge. And if they charge, man, I'm charging too. I don't even know where to get started. All right, well, let's try to see if we can get it. So, still 76 in here. I'm not turn on the air yet. All right, I'm looking at the picture. I have to look at the picture on my phone, but what I can understand, you guys can see this over here. I didn't realize you guys couldn't see what was going on over here. You guys see what's going on right here? This fuse is gonna be somehow hooked up like this, like right there somehow. I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then these are gonna be like hooked up kind of like this. These are actually be hooked up like this. These will go like this, and then the system should charge them. If they start charging, I'm gonna have to sit out here and keep an eye on them because these batteries are old. Mind that they're old, but they still, the light comes on, a little clicker clicks. They're not fully dead. That's why I wrote danger still has a couple volts left. I think they had like, actually I don't remember how many volts I had in it, but all right. So let me get out my picture and I'll get them all wired up here. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2, and In part 2, most likely we'll be able to get this thing to start driving with the brand new batteries. Alright, till then guys, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.